Growing up with my father as a lawyer was pretty cool. Seeing him do good for other people instilled severe motivation in me because I saw what he did when I was growing up, and it was very intriguing to me. I wanted to become a lawyer because I wanted to help the little guy. I like going up against insurance companies because they think they're Goliath. I just see myself as David. I'm not intimidated by an insurance company at all. Matt Fendon Law Group's main goal is to be the rock for injured and disabled workers.
Lost wages are extremely important for a working family. I always put myself in my clients' shoes when they're going through those circumstances. I ask myself, how would I feel if my employer, he just didn't pay me one day? He was like, hey, you know, your check, sorry, it's not gonna be there. I think about how I would feel if I was not able to be an attorney anymore, and it's devastating, it's heartbreaking. Having an advocate there, having someone who cares there is really, really important.
I'm a CT technologist for one of the hospitals and was working by myself trying to take care of the 350-pound patient that I had to move 8 times, and it blew my neck out and it injured my lower back. In that process, I went through workman's comp, time off, occupational health. I went through everything. And my pain clinic physician asked if I had looked for an attorney to help me through the process because I didn't know what to do, and gave me Matt's name, and it was a blessing that he did. Everybody needs to have an advocate in their corner, and Matt's your advocate. He defends you, he knows the law frontwards, backwards, and he treats you like a family member. They make sure you have the best surgeons possible for whatever your injury is. I had the perfect surgeon and the perfect attorney. What more could you ask for? Was I lucky to get Matt Fendon Law Group? I absolutely was.
Well, I retired from law enforcement in 2018, and that was a culmination of approximately a 40-year career span. I had a critical incident in 2017. I had a suspect that had a shotgun pointed at my head from about 3 feet away. My biggest fear at that point was dying, and as a result of that, I suffered from post-traumatic stress and had filed under that with workman's comp. It was denied. I had to go through an appeal process, and after that was started, then I was able to find Matt through my union. And he was just offended by the way workman's comp treated us and said he'd fight the case even up to the Supreme Court if necessary, which occurred, and we won. Made me feel relieved to have Matt on my side. They were very open and very guiding, so I wasn't feeling like I was lost in the process. If anyone else was in my position and needing services of an attorney, I would definitely recommend Matt Fendon Law Group, and Matt specifically.
We want you to put your problems on us. They're our problems. Your problems are our problems. We want our clients to feel safe. We want our clients to feel like they can just focus on getting better with their medical treatment, and we'll take care of everything else, all the complex legal matters. You're going to get a client-oriented firm that provides tenacious representation. Matt Fendon Law Group is the rock for injured and disabled workers, and we will continue to be that.